Good day. Here's the latest news for today. Governor Bambi Imano once again called on the people to be vaccinated so that they can fully return to normal life and living, as the Provincial Health Office of Misamis Oriental confirms total number of inoculated individuals in the province. Let's hear Gio Denke for the update.
Yes, Queen. Looking through the recent count of COVID-19 cases in the country, the province of Misamis Oriental continues to combat with preparedness and utmost care for its people. According to the recent data from the Provincial Information Office, as of September 5 this year, 1,298 active cases have been verified. This comes after 150 newly confirmed cases have been added to the list. In total, there are already 11,213 confirmed cases in the province. Despite this upsetting news, the Misamisans remain grateful as 9,321 patients recovered from the said infection. In this regard, the Office of the Provincial Health Office also disclosed that last August 31 this year, a total number of vaccinated individuals with their first and second dose have been classified as to the following priority group. First dose, A1 is 18,991, A2 38,111, A3 48,295, A4 22,316, and A5 723. With a total of first dose is 128,444. Second dose, A1 71,799, A2 21,584, A3 17,244, A4 1,131. Total second dose 57,758. Fully vaccinated is 57,758. Janssen is 28,851 and a total of 86,609 for the fully vaccinated. In total, 67.42% of the entire population of the province has already been inoculated with the vaccines such as Sinovac, AstraZeneca, Janssen, Pfizer, and Sputnik V. In the meantime, PHO and Governor Bambi Imano consistently encourage all residents of Misamis Oriental to be more vigilant in protecting themselves and following proper health protocols to prevent the widespread of the deadly COVID-19 virus. This is Gio Denke, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Gio. In another story, the threat brought by COVID-19 in the country is still at its alarming rate. Following the basic health standards being implemented by the national and local IATFs is one key to prevent the further spread of the said infection. Here's Danny Abshama Jr. for the report.
Yes, Queen. The world is facing a crisis that has never been imagined and thought of before. With a sudden increase of patients admitted in hospitals, COVID-19 pandemic is definitely a dilemma we all are currently struggling. In the province alone, more and more cases of COVID-19 continue to tally on a daily basis. With the relentless efforts of the Provincial IATF of Misamis Oriental to curb the pandemic, cases still continue to uprise. In connection to this, Provincial IATF through Dr. Jerry Kalingasan continues to remind all Misamisnons to follow minimum health standards to prevent the further spread of COVID-19. One concrete example of following the minimum health standard is the proper wearing of face masks and proper hand washing. Here are the basics of how to wear a face mask as provided by WHO based on new scientific findings as the pandemic evolves. Clean your hands before you put your mask on, as well as before and after you take it off, and after you touch it at any time. Make sure it covers your nose, mouth, and chin. When you take off a mask, store it in a clean plastic bag, and every day either wash it if it's a fabric mask, or dispose of a medical mask in a trash bin. Don't use masks with valves. As Governor Bambi Imano unfailingly reminds everyone, following the basic minimum health standard is one key to prevent the further spread of COVID-19, and with the ceaseless rise of cases, we can surely be able to retrain the sudden increase of the virus. This is Danny Abshama Jr., aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Danny. And that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I am Queen Exclamador. Good day.